So I've got my gifted bug zapper here. The seller did send this to me so I can go ahead and show you everything it comes with and then go over the features of this. Now this does have an ABS plastic housing all the way around. We've got a little hook right here to go ahead and hang that off. And then in the center, that is our bulb. That's a 20-watt light UV bulb. It can be replaced. Also, there's actually a metal grid you can see right around that. So as the bugs go in there, they're attracted to the light. 4,200 volts is going to get them, and they're going to get zapped, and they're going to get all killed. It does have a 4-foot cord right here, and then as the bugs get in there and get killed, of course, they're going to go to the bottom here. So when we want to clean that out, we just turn that like that. They're going to fall in here. Now, there are a couple of drain holes here. You can kind of see them right there. So if this was outside and it did get wet, because it's IPX4 water resistant, it's not going to hurt it. The water is going to drain through there. And it comes with 2 bags of Mosquito attractant, and they're going to go right in there. Now the light bulb, you can see here, it's where it's located, and there's 2 screws up there at the very end, and that's how you're going to go ahead and take this out if you ever need to replace it. Now it does come with a brush for cleaning too, and this is good for an area that's right around 2,100 square feet. I get a lot of bugs where I live, especially mosquitoes, and they just kind of swarm here over in the southern part of the United States. So this is very nice. I just turn it on, it lights up nice and bright, the bugs are attracted to it, they get killed, and in the morning, I just pull it off and rinse it off, and I'm done. Super, super easy to use. Hope you found this review helpful.